Linking your bank account to your child's Schwab account is a straightforward process that allows for easy transfers and management of your finances. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your child's Schwab account. Visit the child's Schwab website and log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account details, including linked bank accounts. Step 3. Select Linked Bank Account. In the Account Settings section, look for an option that says Linked Bank Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email on accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Charles Schwab may require verification. This could involve confirming small deposits made to your bank account or other verification methods. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Charles Schwab account. You can now easily transfer funds and manage your finances more efficiently.